A number of severe workplace internal traffic accidents happen every year. We will be looking at 3 occupational accidents that happened in Finland, where a non-track-based wheeled machinery has plowed into pedestrian. The first accident takes place in a composting facility where 2 employees work. One drives a wheel loader whilst the other works as a production manager. Both employees started to work as normal at 8 o'clock in the morning. The driver transports composting waste from the storage area to an incubator within the facility. The production manager has been going about their daily tasks and is going to take cardboard boxes to the recycling point. The shortest route to the recycling point passes in front of a sliding door used by machinery traffic. The production manager ended up under the wheels of the wheel loader, which was being driven out from the hall, and died of the injuries sustained. The second accident takes place in a port. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and the straddle carriers are in full operation. An experienced stevedore arrives for their morning shift. After the workers have been issued with their tasks for the day, the stevedore walks towards the container inspection area. They often take a shortcut past the barriers controlling machinery traffic. The stevedore is squashed under the wheels of a straddle carrier and dies of their injuries. The third accident occurs in a loading area. 3 employees have arrived for the evening shift. They have been tasked with unloading cargo from a lorry. One of the employees has brought over an electric forklift truck to assist with the task and goes to pick up some pallets from the yard area. The second employee is walking over to the lorry. Third employee has already gone over to the lorry's trailer to wait for the others. The employee who has gone to collect the pallets loads 15 pallets onto the forklift and turns around towards the rear of the lorry. A warehouse worker is squashed under the forklift's wheels and dies immediately of their injuries. In order to avoid similar accidents, machinery and pedestrians must be able to move around safely in the workplace environment. We will go through the key factors promoting safety in internal traffic. The most important aspect is careful planning of traffic and adherence to rules in the workplace. Plan out separate, properly proportioned pathways and working areas for machinery and pedestrian. Ensure they are clearly separated from one another. Identify hazard zones and indicate them clearly. Gates and doorways will require special attention. Machinery must always stop before crossings, and speed must be proportionate to the conditions. Ensure there is a clear line of sight and sufficient lighting. Forklift trucks and machinery must also have functional lights and acoustic warning signals. Provide staff with instructions and create rules that everyone is to follow. Keep pathways in good condition and maintain order and cleanliness. Take particular care in wintry conditions. And what can we do to make sure pedestrians and drivers are aware of their surroundings? Drivers can improve their visibility by keeping the machinery's forks and buckets in the down position whilst driving. Additionally, lower loads enhance visibility and increase occupational safety. Pedestrians must ensure that they are also visible by wearing high-visibility clothing. They may only pass close by to machinery when a driver gives a clear signal to do so. We cannot avoid dangerous situations completely, but we can work together to map out hazards, assess risks, and plan footpaths and machinery routes to ensure they are safe. When internal traffic within the workplace is well organized, we can avoid unnecessary accidents.